Lairiba Constitution amasung legal framework ki manungda masimasu akhoi pangthok haningbagi sarkar gi apamba aningba kaya sing adu Bharat Sarkar da akhoina thamjagre amasung hojik punamak sing asi supnagi Manipur da natana Bharat ki mafam kaya da asigumbagi chauraba problem kaya thorokpaduna maram oira haraga high power committee ama Ministry of Home Affairs Government of India ki makada constitute tawbigre haibasisu akhoi punamang akhangaraba wafamni. We may have differences in many things, but praja gi oiba lakpa matamdadi we should all be on board. Akhoi loina political differences akhoi leiba yai aduga tongan ba aige apamba aige aningma mayam ama lei, but when we come for the state, when we come for the people of our state, 5th of August 2022 Shida Manipur 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly ki floor da akhoina State Population Commission aduga National Register of Citizenship asigi matang dagi taknadunu lakpa aduda nate akhoi again on 1st of March 2024 akhoi ki state sida sarang nabal laina fawada akhoi Government of India da haijidana lakpa kaya singase ngasigi asiguma nomin inigi yamna maroi ba thoram asida akoina mangal khachitang uba phangani haibagi asiakpa thajabado ai hanga mayam thamjari yamna cheksinna ain na yaba constitution na piriba akoida khudong saba sing madugi manungda aseng ba posing aduda yumpham oira haraga 2027 gi census asisu pangthokpa ngamgani haibagi thajaba leijai Masih maruina NRC ki exercise hojik leiriba constitution amasung legal framework ki manungda masimasu akhoi pangthok haningbagi sarkar gi apamba aningba kaya sing adu Bharat Sarkar da akhoina thamjagre amasung hojik punamak sing asi supnagi Manipur da natana Bharat ki mafam kaya da asigumbagi chauraba problem kaya thorokpaduna maram oira haraga high power committee ama Ministry of Home Affairs Government of India ki makada constitute tawbigre haibasisu akhoi punamang akhangaraba wafamni. We may have differences in many things, but praja gi oiba lakpa matamdadi we should all be on board. Akhoi loina political differences akhoi leiba yai aduga tongan ba aige apamba aige aningma mayam ama lei, but when we come for the state, when we come for the people of our state, for the indigenous people of our state, we should come together and we should join hands and heads together to solve and resolve all the issues